So what's up guys, how you doing? Welcome back to this channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe, maybe you are not yet a subscriber to this channel, please make sure you don't go without subscribing. Click on that subscribe button, like and share. Also make your comments. I definitely would love to watch out for it. So let's see what we would be expecting this week on NASDAQ 100. So let's start with the forward time frame. So clearly we can see this trend on Nasdaq. I think this movement started, January. You can see it, January, massive uptrend move. You can see that this NASDAQ 100 is actually an uptrend move. So basically, we would want to be looking for an opportunity to buy, right? But before we go ahead, if you are the type that need, probably a mentorship, a support, you are probably having trouble growing up your accounts, you can actually sign up to our Patreon channel. You will go to the link in the comment section. You see the link to our Patreon channel. Once you sign up, you'll be able to get some of those trade one-on-one support, analysis and every other thing. So I'll be putting the link to some of those trades we actually took this week. So basically, last week, sorry, these are some of those trades. You can see it. US 30 was one of those trades we actually, took, and basically every of this trade we actually ate actually got our profits, profits, right? We actually had no, field trade this week. So this week we would also be looking to take more, more setup on NASDAQ 100. So if you are interested in trading NASDAQ 100 with us, if you are really interested in trading NASDAQ 100 with us, then you can just go to the comment section. You see the link to the Patreon channel. Subscribe, sign up, then you'll be able to get those support and everything you need. Now, back to this my analysis. I want you to know that there's going to be a crazy movement on NASDAQ 100 this week. First, we'll be expecting FOMC statements, which we should all keep our eyes on. So, when we expect that once that one comes out, we will be expecting major news like unemployment rates. We'll be expecting something like NFP this Friday. So Friday we would also be expecting NFP. So what I'm trying to say is that the week will actually be very, very volatile. So with what I am saying right now, technically, right, on that fundamental aspect of it, we don't know what the news will be playing out, right? We don't know what the news will come out. But with what we are going to see right now on the technical aspect of it, we will see NASDAQ 100 fall to a level of probably 15,051, 15,051. So we would see NASDAQ 100 fall to that level. If NASDAQ 100 manages to fall to that level, then the next movement we'll be expecting will be an impulse move. So basically, we would continue the uptrend move on NASDAQ 100. So as you can see, this is clearly an uptrend move. This is just kind of like a correction. You can see price dropped, price is literally dropping, giving us a correction. Now that price have it eventually gone up, we can see it came to this trend, give us a pullback, broke above it. You can see that price literally broke above it, give us a correction to test this trend. Now price has actually given us an impulse move. So the next movement we all should be expecting on Nasdaq is a correction. That is why I said I'll be expecting a correction to about 15,051, 15051. If you can expect that, then we will continue the movement upward. That is on the technical aspect. Notice that this analysis is based on the technical aspect. Now on the fundamental aspect, because there are major news that we are going to be expecting this week, which very much might, I'm not saying it will, but might change the direction of this movement. As FOMC statements, we need to keep an eye on it, expect what they are actually saying, what they are projecting. We also be expecting some major news is like on the USD. So keep an eye on them. If it will change the direction, then we see NASDAQ 100 going bullish. I personally am seeing it as a bullish move, but anyway, we'll be putting out more trade, more analysis on NASDAQ 100 and everything on the Patreon channel. So if you're interested, all you just have to do is go to the Patreon channel in the comment section, sign up. Once you sign up, you'll be able to get access to those trades we'll be putting. Like we said, I will be putting the link to some of those trades we took this week. I mean, everything actually hits our target. We can clearly see that we had no field trade this week. You can clearly see from WTI to US 30. You can see to Euro card, everything actually hits our profits. So the link to our Patreon channel will be in the comment section.